What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're doing something a little bit different. All right, guys, so right now we're at a local airport, private property. We got complete permission to do this. Okay, we're gonna put airplane fuel in a Miata. For any of y'all that don't watch the channel, this is just a turbo Miata. It's got 528cc injecters, CX Racing turbo, basic turbo stuff. Airplane fuel, aka aviation fuel, is actually called 100LL. The 100 stands for 100 octane, which if you go online, it might be a little bit lower, like 96 or so. The LL means low lead. Regular automotive fuel does not have lead in it, and this does. So, from what we've learned online, you can run this. It's not the smartest idea. While it is high octane, the lead can mess up different parts of your engine, but honestly, we're just gonna go full send today and see what happens. All right, guys, here's the gas station. This is so cool. Well, you know, just fueling up right next to this airplane right here. Nothing to see here. Let's send it. All right, guys, this is 100LL, aka racing fuel. So right now it's $4.53 a gallon. So get this sucker opened up. Yeah, let's see what happens. This is a massive pump, dude. Jesus. Yeah. It doesn't even fit. That sucks. Plan B. His internet is like worse than dial-up right now, straight up.
Yes.
Okay, we got a problem.
Hang on. What's the problem?
Okay, it's not that big, but we got here, right? We got to the airport. Everyone's freaking looking at us weird because we're trying to put airplane fuel on a little Miata, and the nozzle on the gas pump is too big for the gas tank. So.
Okay. Did you guys not think about bringing a 5-gallon bucket,
A bucket.
and fuel jug with you?
No, we didn't. We need one.
Okay, I have one at the shop.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna go borrow a 5-gallon jug from Zach, but in order to do that, we gotta help him with the Jeep first, so let's get to it. What are we doing, Gabe? Wait. All right, guys. Yeah, wait 1 second.
You know, you've been wearing that more than I've worn it.
Mm-hmm. That fits me pretty well.
So, this is the stock tank that was in it and has a big ass dent inside of it, so it only allows me to fill like 5 gallons. And it's actually a 20-gallon tank. So, I ended up spending $125 on a new aluminum polish, which you can't really tell because it's all kind of scraped up and dirty as hell right now. But right now, we got to actually pick this tank up that's full of gas and pour it into this fuel cell with using this big ass funnel. It's like $16.
So while they do that, I'm gonna try not to cut myself. But guys, we're actually, do you have a fuse for this, Zach?
Yes.
He actually has a fuse for it. So we're putting a fuse in the fuel pump. We're not Novice garage anymore, we're professional garage. Hold up. Side note, was it August 4th and 5th? On a side note, August 4th and 5th, guys, we'll be out at Bridgeport, Texas, OHV Park. Catch us out there. We'll be there both days.
We're gonna be trailing all day, all night, and into the morning. I'm probably gonna leave at 12, honestly, because that's a lot of trailing.
Yeah, so catch us out there. If you have a rig, come out with us. Hopefully we don't get... Yeah, guys, just come out. It'll be fun. It's like, what, 2 weeks ago we did an overnight drifting event, and now we're doing an overnight off-road event. So drop a like for this diversity and content, right? And what are the channels doing this right now?
We're not gonna be spilling fuel everywhere.
Let's be honest, what other YouTube channels doing this right now?
Yeah.
Nobody. All right.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, hello.
Oh.
Well,
gas there.
Gas now.
Gas there. Okay.
Well, guys, on this episode, I now pee gasoline. As you can see there.
Oh god, that is a really full.
That's some high quality gasoline right there. Like her pouring dirty old gas. To a brand new fuel cell.
For everyone who's wondering, that is the dent he is talking about.
Holy shit, that was pretty bad.
So, give me an example. Flush. This is like, you'd fit your fist right here. It's pushing so much.
Is it getting lighter?
A little bit. It's also getting heavier.
We're trying to help a little.
Heavy Joe.
I'm not really left-handed.
All the fumes are going right in my eye.
Now close your eyes, dum-dum.
And my nose. Can't close my nose too.
Freaking.
Oh, whoa, whoa. Oh, it's getting me wet.
Yeah. Been a while, huh?
It's been a while since a man can work me like this.
Don't make him laugh, he'll drop it. Zach, quit laughing.
Are you done yet?
No.
He's got a few more little squirts in him.
Okay, guys. We're having a lot of issues with the fuel lines. This is like the third time going back in it and trying to fix it. So we're about to plug it into the fuel line. We're about to plug the fuel line into the fuel filter, basically. So go ahead and do it. It's already starting to spew. Oh, God.
Oh, y'all that don't know, don't get gasoline on your body. It burns like a mother.
Oh, God. Oh. It's literally a race against the clock.
Okay. Got it on.
It's in?
It's in.
Yes.
All I feel just spews.
It's ready.
Faces.
One.
Good so far.
Oh, is it still on?
No,
I
it's
turned it off.
It's off. Turn it on.
Turn it back on?
Yeah. We're good.
All right, cool. Zach burned himself pretty bad. Don't play with gasoline, kids.
That's hot. Is it? Yeah.
Feel the water before you administer it, man. Come on, you're the doctor here.
Oh my God, that feels so good. That feels so good, dude.
You feel better?
This dude sprays me with the camera that we're filming on in my pocket.
See, look, it's still recording. We're okay.
Whole reason why we're shirtless right now is because I'm covered in fuel and I'm burning. He got some fuel in him too, so he's kind of burning up right now. Change out fuel tanks. Don't.
You saw my factory window.
So anyways, we're gonna turn on the fuel pump and then we're gonna crank her over and to see if she's
Catches on fire. Should we roll it forward, like away from the fuel-soaked ground?
Or just drive it, you know.
That's fine. Okay, so fuel pump is on.
Yeah, I would go and pull it forward.
Would help find the keys.
Yeah, that would help. I would immediately roll it forward.
Let her in. On.
She lives.
And she's running.
We're fixing the tank right now. We just gassed it up, but it's holding way too much pressure, so we're putting one of the vents on. We should have done that in the first place, but that's what we're doing right now.
Like factory.
Smoking a cigar too. That is awesome. My boy, what a man.
What's up? What you wearing there, bud? Are you repping?
Oh yeah.
Hey.
The nozzle does not fit in my tank, unfortunately, because it's a Miata tank. What we're gonna do is we're gonna fill up this jug. We're gonna take the jug and directly pour it into the car. So that's the plan. Let's see what happens. How many gallons do you want? 3? Yes. Okay, you want 3 gallons? Yes. Do you want a receipt after feeling? Sure. Okay. Here, Zach, get the pump just in case I don't think it's gonna start.
Dialing network. How you can tell it's been a while.
My bank's gonna be like, this might be an unauthorized transaction. We know you don't have an airplane.
Watch, he's gonna come and get fuel right away.
All right, Zach, let it rip.
No, you're just.
There we go, guys. I don't know if. There it goes. There it goes.
There it goes.
Did you know high lead or low lead?
Oh God!
What?
Did you sniff it?
Why would you put it in your
It
nose?
got on my hand.
Did it smell good?
It smelled kind of good, yeah.
Was it? All right, is that 3 gallons?
That's about 3.
All right, so that 3 gallons cost us at current prices $13.62. Cool. All right. Okay, let's put the tip on it.
Just the tip.
Just the tip. Honestly, like, don't really know how this is gonna go. It could go really bad. We also don't have my computer to change the tune on the car if we need to, so that's not good.
We got a chain and we got a winch.
So, oh yeah, the gas tank is completely empty right now, by the way. Okay, you got it on camera?
Yeah.
All right, cool. All right. Oh, Zach, it has to go in the hole.
Put it in the hole.
It has to go in the hole.
Just gonna send it.
Just gonna send it.
What do you think's gonna happen?
I also have no idea.
Guys, drop a comment right now. Like, drop a comment. What do you think is gonna happen? Curious.
1 hour later, Gabe's bought a new motor.
No, 1 hour later.
Don't jinx it, you asshole.
I'm so happy we're doing this to the Miata, not the Jeep.
AVGAS 100
This thing
LL.
pours so slow. All right, guys. The question is, will it start? 3, 2, 1. Ad break. It runs. It's got a lifter tick, but it runs. So far, so good. It boosts pretty good. So we're not hearing any weird noises, anything like that. It's driving a little bit weird, but not too bad. So we were on E, like Joe showed y'all. We're right above a quarter tank. It was 3 gallons, so. It runs good. We put 3 gallons in, it's still running and it runs good and boosts, so I give it a pass. All right, Brennan, what are we doing?
All right, so Gabe had the idea of trying to, what is it, sand surf?
Sand surfing.
So what we got is, we got Gabe's longboard here with no wheels, and we got sand, kind of. And we got Zach's Jeep and a ratchet strap.
All right, bro, you ready?